In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide tagged photos on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. After that, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. Then tap right there at these three lines to go to settings and activity. And here, if we scroll down a bit, we'll find tags and mentions option. We need to get into it first. Here you will find review tags. After that, tap add tagged to see all the posts where you are currently tagged on Instagram. And then if you would like to hide some posts from here, then hit first off there add select. Select some posts. I'm just going to choose these three posts here, and then down below we can either remove tags from that post or we can hide them from our Instagram profile. Choose one of these options to hide or remove tags from these posts. Now guys, here we got one more cool feature which is called manually approve tags. You can just turn it on in every day, so that's how you can easily control every future tagged post. So when this feature turned on, you will be able to manually add any tag post to your profile or permanently remove yourself from these posts. Keep in mind that previously tagged posts won't be impacted. To continue, just hit right there. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.